Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of this contact section, contact app actually. Find the contact which you'd like to customize and then tap on it. Now we have to tap on edit and tap on this profile picture. Here you can also change the phone card, and of course you can add the photo right there. It will then appear on the full screen, but the standard one is here, so just the profile picture. I mean this one. So now you can either open the camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. You can choose something from your own gallery. You can use also Galaxy avatar, or use something from those options which are pre-installed. Those are connected with the emojis. So you've got different categories from which you can choose. And because I do not have any kind of photo, etc., let me simply pick this one, for example. As you can see, it will immediately appear here on this section where you can check the preview. However, if you will choose something from the gallery or the camera, your device will show you the section where you can zoom in or out the photo. You will see the highlighted circle right in the middle, and basically this circle is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. So just by using 2 fingers, you can zoom in or out, you can change the position of the photo and of the circle, and then simply tap on save or tick icon. Right here we have to simply tap on save again, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. It will be also visible on the list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.